Thanks for taking the time to look at my short video clip. My name's John Dexter. This is Dexters of Leicester. We're easy to find on the main Melton Road. This could be your next car. You could have found it. This is for the guys down in London who have requested a video. We've tracked down, it's the one owner, it's the 3 litre, but it's badged the M140i. It's got the automatic gearbox. We're just over, how many miles have we done? We're just over 53,000 miles, but with just that one owner. We've got some BMW service history. We're going to service it as well. Got my words out. We've refurbished the alloys look spot on, tyres are all good. We've got just one key at the moment. We're going to get another key sorted out, but with the coral red leather, it really does look good. It comes with 6 months AA warranty, but it should be plain sailing. The car drives as it should do. It's really, really nice, and I'll start it up for you. So I'll stop waffling and I'll take you outside and show you the car. So just through my small prep bay. It's just started to rain, but I have leathered it off. There's the S3, the wheels are being done on that. There's the M Sport 3 litre X3, but there's the star of the show. Let's see if we can get around it while it's still dry. Everything looks nice. The alloys, the calipers, all look really good. No dents or dings. And those front bumpers, the previous owner from Oxford has really looked after it. We've still got the original plates on from North Oxford BMW. No major stone chips, no chips on the windscreen either. Still on the original mirror caps. Lights are super clear, front parking sensors. There's those alloys, they really do look good. And down the side there, no scrapes, no dings. We always get them checked out over anyway, just to check. And Gary, our dent specialist, comes in. And there's the rear wheel badge. The rear looks great. All the lights are nice and clear. Twin pipes. Let's just show you the boot there. You've got the 60/40 split on the rear seats and batteries in the boot there, and the inflator kit. It's all ready to go. Just starting to rain now, but should be right. Badging looks really sweet, really nice. And that interior, just from the driver's side, you get the coral red inserts, M140 on the kick plates, and that interior really does look good. That's the beauty. The automatic really is nice. And in the back there, it looks good. It's just starting to rain, so I'm going to jump inside and just start it up for you. So, the driver's side, look at that. Really nice. No scuffs or anything on the kick plate. Seat looks nice. No problems there. M Sport steering wheel looks as new. Let's just close this door. Let's start it up. Whether you'll pick it up. We've got navigation and everything on the iDrive. Tyre pressures to look at, but it really does look good. We've got the sports mode there. Pop it into sports mode, get it a little bit warmer. Let's open the door. There's the let's see if we can get that. And it really is responsive on the lovely burble. So I don't think you'll be disappointed, and if you've got any questions, just let me know. But that interior, very, very nice. Everything's good. Thanks for looking. Love it.